Excited to be in the house of the Lord today. Malapit lang kasi sa amin yung church. Yun lang. Yun. Yun lang yung church. As you can see, yun. Malapit lang po dito. Kaya, mabilis lang ako makakapunta doon. So, happy Sunday. Enjoy your day today with the Lord. And honor Him. Non-negotiable ang Sunday. Dahil tayo ay grateful people. We love God. And we will go to His house today. Morning, mula dito po sa bukid, walang kuryente, solar lang, pero sapat na para magising ang puso sa araw ng pagsamba. Simple yung pamumuhay, maagang gigising, at ngayon, time to get ready for the most important appointment of the week, ang date natin kay Lord. Here we go. Ayan, iinit ko lang yung ulam namin kagabi. Adobong pusit. It is! Milk ka? Dami pang sinampay. Tres. Ayan, ready na for church. On the way. Okay guys, ano ng Panginoon today? ASMR.
nature, yung kanyang attributes, yung kanyang likas. And when we obey the Ten Commandments, we know that we are obeying the will of God.
Truly that better is one day in the house of God than 1,000 elsewhere. Kaya naman, join us on Sunday. If you want to join, just connect with me, PM me, message me, and join with us. Once again, this is Rose B saying stay kind, stay beautiful, stay real, and stay with the Lord. God bless everyone. Happy Sunday.